What's going on, everybody? I hope you had a great 4th of July. I know we did. Unfortunately, I know a lot of you are going to make comments, so I'm going to go ahead and put it right out on Front Street here. I did not have a cameraman, so I had nobody filming for me. I put my camera on a tripod and hope for the best. I turned it on and just took off and started lighting. So we got a lot of the fountains and a few of the aerials, but most of the big stuff and a lot of the 2-inch canisters and everything like that kind of went up and beyond the frame of the camera. So unfortunately, I missed a lot of it. Next year, I will get a cameraman, as this has turned out to be quite a big event, apparently. A lot of the neighbors are going to pitch in next year, and we're going to make this even bigger. So I'm pretty excited about it. I hope you guys at least enjoy the video. It's still a very good show. You can still see some. So I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that I did get. I left everything there. I just kind of edited out some of the dead spots because I was running back and forth between a lot of areas, just trying to make everything as safe as possible. So now that I know what to do there, next year will be a little bit different. So I just wanted to make that little disclaimer that yes, I realize that I missed half the fireworks before. There's a whole bunch of comments like, hey, you missed half the show. I know that. And I had no way of telling. I had no one that was like watching the camera. I just kind of set it off to the side and hope that none of the neighborhood kids either A, stole my phone, or B, knocked it over. Luckily, neither of which happened, other than my camera wasn't tilted up high enough to get the whole sky. I thought it'd be all right, but the angle that it was not. So anyway, the entire town loved it. Pretty much the whole community ended up in my driveway, and it was total opposite of what I was expecting it to be. I figured it'd just be a few of us out there, and people were coming from other towns to come watch. Word travels fast in a small town. So it was really awesome. The turnout was great. The reaction was awesome. So we had a ton of fun. I had an absolute blast doing this, and cannot wait for next year because, like I said, now everyone and all the neighbors around us were like, I would much rather just pay you money, you buy it, set it all up, light it off, and we just sit back and enjoy the show in our own backyard. That would be way better than going to a big public display and dealing with the crowds and dealing with traffic. So with that being said, next year is going to be way bigger and a lot more of a budget because a lot of people are now donating, and we're gonna kind of put together a pool towards, beginning of summer next year, and we're gonna start buying some fireworks. So with that being said, I hope all of you guys enjoy my 2022 4th of July fireworks show.
and I was like, I hated it. It was so loud. Oh, look, you can see all of here.
And the three big boxes. Time to turn the flashlight off. You don't need it. Whoa!